So when we look at this question, this is a triangle with sides AB, BC, and AC. They are saying calculate the angle ABC. Which angle is that? ABC. So this is the angle they want you to find. So how do we find that angle? All right, so we are going to identify which formula are we going to use, the sine rule or the cosine rule. So it's up to you to identify. Now, since you are finding the angle, all right, check which side you are having. The angle is here. Do we have this side which is opposite to the angle? Yes, we have it. It's 2 meters. All right, so we can say, okay, do we have another angle? No. Since we don't have another angle, we are going to use the cosine rule. Right? We are going to use the cosine rule. And we know that for the cosine rule, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, then cos a here. Now this is what we are looking for. So we are saying cos a, or in this case it will be cos b, since we are talking about b. All right, so we can just do this. All right, you can just put b here, and you put a squared here, then you put what? Just put b squared here. So cos b, all right, will be equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2bc, like that. So cos b is equal, that means you just have to make cos b the subject of the formula, which I've already done for you. A, so which one is A? So this is the angle A, so the side A is this one here. This is A. This is angle B, so the side B is here. This is angle C, so the side C is here. Don't forget to do this. So A is 3.5, so I'm going to put 3.5 squared plus C. C is 1 squared. B is 2 squared over, what do we have here? We have 2, what is B? B is 2. Then what is C? C is 1. So we have cos B is equal to, what is 3.5 squared? So 3.5, we square it, then we say plus 1, then we say minus 4, which is 2 squared minus 4. I'm getting 9.25 over, this is 4. So we divide by 4, so I'm getting cos B is equal to 2.3125. Then how do we find the angle? So the angle B is equal to cos now inverse of 2.3125. So we say shift, then cos, which is the inverse. So say shift, then you punch cos, then you say open bracket 2.3125. So all right, so let's try to change some things here. All right, anyway, this will be the angle. Just that we can't have cos theta above like this. Or maybe you can make some changes to the question so that we can have relatively a small number down there. But in case they asked you, this is the angle. So this was just an illustration, but this is how you do it. In most cases, we cannot have 2 here because cos theta only ranges from -1 to what? To 1. We should always have a number in that range there. That's why here we can't get an angle. But this is a procedure. Take note. Then the area of the triangle is half. All right, we can say we can get any two sides. Now, since this angle is known, this angle here is known, right? Which we found here, which we can't get. So we are going to say this will be the same angle here, but it will be this side now, this side multiplied by that side, and the angle in between those two lines. So we're going to say 1 squared times 3, so not 1 squared, it will be 1 times 3.5. Then we're going to say multiply by sine this angle that we found here, then you punch on the calculator, and that will be the final answer. Take note, this is a demo and this is just a procedure on how to do it. If we had like let's say 0 point something, we could have eventually got or found our angle, then we could have put it here. But that's the procedure.